Parachute Center.
Hi.
What brings you out here today?
My birthday.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And what are you about to go do?
Skydive.
What? You're gonna go jump out of a perfectly good airplane?
Yeah.
Crazy. Is this your first time?
Yep.
How are you feeling?
Pretty like
Excited?
Yeah.
Pumped?
Yeah.
Did you bring any friends or family with you today?
My girlfriend and my mom.
Hi guys, we're way over there.
And my stepdad's the other guy coming with us.
Awesome. Well, do you have any last words to say before we hop on the airplane?
I don't know.
Let's just, let's just go have some fun, okay?
Yeah. All right.
All right, I'll see you out there, man. Have
Cool.
fun.
To be part of the wave, can't stop. Ever wonder if it's all for you? The world I love, the dreams to be part of the wave, can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to.
We're almost at 13,000 feet. How are you feeling?
Pretty awesome.
Yeah, you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Awesome. I'll see the sky, man. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Ready to do this?
Yeah.
Awesome. I'll see you. Have fun.
Generation, the birth of every other nation. Look your way to go to meditation. This chapter's gonna be a close one. Smoke rings, I know you're gonna blow one. All on a spaceship persevering. Use my hands for everything but steering. Can't stop the spirits when they need you. Mama tops are happy when they feed you. J butterflies in the treetop. Birds that blow the meaning in the leaf. The world I love, the tears I drop to be part of the wave. Can't stop. Ever wonder if it's all for you? The world I love, the trains I hop to be part of the wave. Can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to. Wait a minute, I'm passing out, win or lose, just like you. Far more shocking than anything I ever knew. How about you? 10 more reasons why I need somebody new, just like you. Far more shocking than anything I ever knew. Right on cue.
All right, man. How was that?
Good.
You had a good time? Are you glad you did it?
Yes.
Would you come back and do it again?
Yes.
Sweet. Well, congratulations on your first jump. Happy birthday, and hopefully we'll see you next time here at the Parachute
Thank
Center.
you.